Welcome to the channel, guys. I will share personal investing strategy with you today. I started investing 2 years ago with $5,000 to build my financial independence. I choose to do that through Robinhood app and dividend investing. To reach your financial independence, you should earn your annual expenses and multiply it by 25. So you can take that sweet dividend income and still watch your portfolio growing and making you more money. Let's say you need $50,000 to cover your lifestyle a year. That means $50,000 times 25 equals $1.25 million invested into your portfolio. You're able to live from your dividend income, and you can take 4% of your paid dividends every year, not touching initial investment. These are stocks that I buy, and I will hold them for the next 30 years. Stag. Market cap for this stock is $4.1 billion, 3.42% compound annualized dividend growth for the last 5 years. 4.59% annual dividend yield. Last 8 years in a row, they increased their dividend payout. Bank of America. Market cap $1.4 billion and dividend yield 2.5% last 5 years. This stock is up crazy 127%. Last 6 years in a row, they increased their dividend payout. SPHD Investco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility Monthly Paid Stock with market cap of $3.8 billion, dividend yield of 4.1%. Last 5 years, they re-up 32%. Last 2 years in a row, they increased their dividend payout. NOBL S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats. Companies that have not just paid dividends, but grown them for at least 25 consecutive years. Dividend yield is 1.33%. Last 5 years, this ETF is up 52%. STOR. This REIT is up 59%. Dividend yield is high 3.75%. Last 4 years, they are increasing their dividend payout. KO, Coca-Cola. Last 5 years, this dividend aristocrat is up 32% with market cap $250 billion and dividend yield 2.85%. Last 57 years in a row, they increased their dividend payout. Nestle. We all heard about this food giant. Last 5 years, this stock is up more than 40%. Market cap $308 billion and dividend yield is 2.30%. What stocks are you planning to buy for your financial independence? If you'd like to see more dividend investing videos, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.